Amalungu ePhalamende abengagculisekile ngombiko wenkampani engamele isikhungo sokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo saseMangaung lapho kweqa khona uThabo Bester. Kepha izikhulu zalenkampani zithi zenza konke okusemandleni ukubambisana nezinhlaka ezabe ziqhuba uphenyo.
We notified GIX on the 9th of May 2002 of the death. On the 3rd of August, we produced to GIX our preliminary investigation report into the matter. On the 19th of October, we shared with GIX available video footage. And on the 2nd of February this year, we provided to GIX a final investigation report, the MCC final investigation report.
Amalungu amele iDA ne-ANC akhale ngokuthi le nkampani G4S iyazihlangula nje kwaphela.
It acknowledges no responsibility for this incident. You tell us how you have followed the correct processes that you should follow and how you've cooperated ex post facto with a variety of institutions which are questioned, but nevertheless. And that's what you tell us. You don't tell us what happened, how this happened, what you've done about what happened. There's absolutely no indication in this report that G4S accepts any responsibility for the fact that until yesterday there was a serial murderer and rapist on the run.
I-G4S ixolisile ngokungabaluli ukuthi empeleni umlilo waqubuka ligamenxe ihora lesibili ekuseni hayi ngehora lesine.
That the fire broke at 4 o'clock in the morning. And based on our visit when we went there and the footage that we saw, it says the fire broke at 2:30 a.m. And then 2:59, it was reported that the fire broke. Which is which? 4 o'clock, that gets to be reported. The CCTV footage that we have seen with honorable members that were present on the site on the day says 2:30, the fire broke. 2:59, it was reported. And 2:30 exactly, the two gentlemen who you spoke of were seen running towards that main block. So how do two people run when the fire, it shows on the CCTV that it has broke, but it gets to be reported at 4 o'clock.
Ayizange igculise nempendulo yokufakwa kwenye indawo kaBester lapho ama-CCTV camera engasebenzi ngendlela.
Was this planned? Because from a sense we got when we got there is that normally cell 35 is not being used because of it's in the blind spot. Cameras or the video footage do not cover. So in any case, we even did that walk. You can come into isolation, walk, take the stairs to cell 35, and the camera will not capture you because of it's in the blind spot. Even when you go out, only person that knows that that is cell 35 will be able to identify it on the CCTV.
I-G4S ithe kwabe kumfanele uBester ukunikezwa i-laptop ngoba wabe eqhuba izifundo zakhe.
Not only Bester was allowed to
No, let's talk about Bester. Let's leave other inmates. Let's talk about Bester. Why was he allowed to have his personal laptop when you ran a risk of giving him a tool crimes? Why?
I remember the reasons are he qualified.
What are the qualifications?
Based on the criteria that we have set to say before we can allocate a laptop to an inmate, there needs to be evidence that he has registered with an institution and the qualification in which he is to take note of that in our prison.
Isiqhawu ke siyaqhubeka.